Hi, sir.
Hi, Ritika. How are you?
I am fine, sir. And how are you?
I'm doing very well. How was your day today?
My day was great. It was good, sir. And how was your day?
My day is good also. What do you do today?
Nothing, sir. Today is Sunday.
Okay.
It's a holiday.
So did you get up late?
Yes, at 7:22.
Oh, that's very early. Okay.
And sir, at what time did you get up?
I got up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, at 6. That's too early.
Okay. So Ritika, did you have a chance to take a look at today's session material?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. Did you understand the topic?
Yes, outer space or deep ocean.
Yes. So, do you watch any of these channels, National Geographic or Discovery? What do you know about outer space?
Outer space, it is very far
Yes.
away and outer space. And what else? What was that?
Deep ocean.
Deep ocean means it's underwater.
Yes. Yes, perfect. So what do you have in outer space?
In outer space, if I had a rocket, I could fly. Then in outer space, there are so many stars.
There are so many stars, yes.
And it is beautiful at night when the stars are shining at night. And sir, if you had a rocket, would you like to visit the sky, or are you afraid? I'm afraid a little.
Yeah, I'm afraid. I don't think I want to go into outer space. I don't think I want to visit the stars.
Deep ocean?
I don't think I want to go into deep ocean also.
Yes, it's very scary if there is a shark or an octopus.
Yes. So what apart from the stars, what else is there in outer space?
In outer space, the sky is very blue, dark blue, and it's very scary.
It is very?
It's very scary.
Yes. So apart from stars, what else is there in outer space?
Outer space, there are solar system, and there's a big white moon.
Big white moon?
Yes.
Okay. And what else is there in outer space?
What else? The Earth.
Okay.
Earth is there. Solar system and other things also. And people, there are so many planets. So people, they were.
Yes, there's so many planets. Yes, you're right. There are so many planets.
People.
And what? Yes.
There are so many people who like to visit the moon, and they plant a flag. I came here first.
Okay. And how about the sun? The sun is also in outer space, right?
Yes, it is also, but it's very hot.
Yes. Okay. So would you like to go into outer space?
Yes, sir, I would like to. And sir, what about you?
No, I don't want to go into outer space. I'm happy here.
Oh, so it means you are afraid of the water and afraid of the dark. I'm afraid of dark.
Yeah. Because, so you want to go into outer space? You want to go?
Yes, I would like to, because I'm curious. I am curious what about.
You are what? I am. What did you say? I am?
Sir, I don't know what we call it when we are confused.
So you were saying I am curious?
Yes, I am.
So, okay, very good. So in other words, you want to know what is out there?
Yes, I want to know what are they out in outer space.
Okay, very good. So that's very brave.
There's one fish which looks so funny. Clownfish.
Clownfish?
Yes, it is red or orange.
Okay, I have not heard of this fish. Okay.
I have heard in stories.
Okay. Okay. And what else is there in the deep ocean?
There is one animal, turtle, octopus, shark, and it's so beautiful. And,
okay.
And you know what? Pirates always hide their treasure under the water.
Oh, okay.
And one can find the treasure.
Okay. Okay, I didn't know that. If you had to make a choice between going into outer space or deep ocean, which would you prefer?
Which would I prefer? I think I will prefer outer deep ocean.
You prefer deep ocean?
Yes, sir.
Why is that?
Why is that? Because I like fish.
You like fish?
Yes.
Do you like eating fish?
No. In my village, my mother used to eat fish, but not now.
You have stopped eating fish?
Yes.
Why?
He don't like eating fish. And if when I said to my sister I like eating fish, she was shocked. She said, Didi, have you ever, why my teacher in my school also, my teacher has at octopus in her village. Octopus.
She has eaten octopus, your teacher? Yeah. Okay.
Do you like eating?
Sorry?
Do you like eating fish?
Yes, I like eating fish.
Okay. And what about octopus?
Octopus I have never tasted, and I don't want to taste also. It looks very ugly.
Yes, it looks very ugly. It has 8 legs.
Yes. So are you a non-vegetarian?
I'm a vegetarian.
You're a vegetarian? Okay.
Yes. And are you a vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I'm non-vegetarian because I eat fish and I eat eggs also, so I'm non-vegetarian.
So sometimes you can eat vegetable also?
Yes, of course. I eat vegetables every day.
Yes, because vegetables make you strong.
Yes. Okay. So you were saying you would like to go into the deep ocean instead of going into outer space, right? So what will you do once you're in deep ocean? In deep ocean.
Yeah,
what will you do?
A big submarine. What? And it's just like a spaceship, and it's very fun. It's like aeroplane. You are sitting in the aeroplane, and aeroplane is flying in the sky.
So you're saying there's a submarine in the water?
Yes, there is.
Okay, so you'll go in the submarine?
Yes, sir, I would like to. And would you like to?
Yes, I would also like to go in the submarine. Yes.
Not. And
have you heard about it?
Yes, I have heard about it.
Okay, so is that something that interests you?
No, sir.
No?
That doesn't interest me. And sir, do you like soup? Do you like it?
No, I don't like it also.
So there is when you go to beach, there are so many boat. Even there's a banana boat, you can ride it, and it's very fun. I like.
Have you been on a boat?
Yes, I don't know, sir, if I have been when I was small. Yes, I have been. I went.
Did you like it? Did you like it?
No, sir. Yes, it was a little fun. Inside it, some people were asking if you need chips or cold drinks, so we had a lot of fun. And there was a big mountain.
Okay, where was this?
I don't know the place. I didn't ask my father. It was so fun. I liked the boat at the ocean, but I was afraid.
Okay. So the boat was on a lake. You were inside a. Was it a big boat or a small boat?
It was a big boat because so many peoples were there, and it had an upstairs.
Oh, you don't say so many peoples. You say so many people.
There are so many people.
Yeah. So the big boat was big. It had upstairs and downstairs?
Yes, sir. And have you ever sat on a boat?
I have sat on a boat, but a small boat, not a big one. So there was, in the boat I went to, there was no upstairs and downstairs. It was just flat.
I liked it. The stair, going upstairs and coming downstairs, it was very fun.
Oh, okay. So when you have a chance, then you ask your father, where was this boat? Okay.
Okay.
It sounds very nice. Okay. So would you like to live in the deep sea?
No, sir.
No?
This is better for me. I don't want to live under the water.
Okay. Would you like to visit? Okay. So when you go to visit, who will you take along with you?
Everyone in my family.
Okay.
But my small sister can't swim. I have my younger sister. If she see anything, if she is shark, she will start playing with it.
If she sees a shark, she will start playing with the shark.
Yes, I think because whenever she see anyone, she will run out. She will run and go near the door, and she will stand up by herself.
Okay.
Okay. She wants to sleep on our lap.
Okay. How old is your sister?
9 months old.
Only 9 months?
Yes.
Oh, she's very small.
9 months old, and another is how much old? 2 years old, another 4 years old.
You have 3 sisters?
Yes, 3 younger sisters and me, so 4.
Oh, very nice.
Because we both, my younger sister, which is 4 years old, we don't, I told you, she like watching Ganesha stories.
Yes.
We both don't like talking to each other. If I have taken anything of her or not talk to you, and if she's right, whenever she go out, she will make fun of me. She will say, I went out, you didn't went. And what else? She's very cute as well, and she is very, sometimes when my mother is asking, when she has eaten food and have the dinner, she go to sleep. But my mother will say to her to get the empty bottles. That's an easy job. Even small kids can do that, even 2 years old kids. But she will say, see what she will say? She will say, please ask Didi, don't ask me. I will have to sweep the floor. If my mother say to her, get up, you don't sleep here, don't be lazy. What will she do? She will say, Mom, she will start to cry. She will say, Papa, I want to sleep. Then what will my father have to do? He will have to put her on his back, and as he will sleep, and my younger sister, which is 9 months old, she will follow dad and say, she will say, and then my father also have to hold her, and my 2 years old sister, she will say, me sit head. So my father can't decide who can sit first. So he will say, oh, my 2 years old sister Pari will sit first, second 4 years old Radhika, then last Akshita. Why? See, I always say to my father, Akshita is smallest. She is 9 months old. You must hold her first. And Pari is 2 years old, so she's second. She must be second. Radhika is 4 years old. She must be third. What will he say? Whoever is crying, he will hold that girl. But my 9-month-old sister will cry. She will cry, but my father will not hold her. He will hold Pari and Radhika. So I will have to hold her. I will say, Papa, give me Akshita and put her on my back. But one day I said, she was about to fall, and what was she doing? She was pulling my hair. and he was biting me. I said, then I started to say, Mummy, Akshita is biting me.
Okay, so she must be having teeth, which her teeth must be growing up, right?
She has 6 teeth.
Okay, so that's why she must be feeling the need to bite you, because her teeth are growing.
Yes, but whoever, if she is hungry, what she will do? If my sister will put hand in her mouth, then she will bite, and she will do like that. Mummy, I got hurt. Then my mother will say, did your big sister beat you? Then she will say, no, Mummy, Akshita bite me. So then what will my mother say? So why do you put finger? Now she is also learning how to put finger by herself.
Okay, so you said she bite me. So you don't say she bite me. You say she bit me.
She bit me.
Yeah, because it is past tense.
It happened right now also.
Oh, it happened just now?
Right now, what I was holding her, and whenever I'm holding her, and she is feeling sleepy. Okay, now I think, I will say, okay, it's time for her to sleep. But when I put her on the bed or down, she will get up and she will fall. I am thinking she's sleeping, but what happened? She's not sleeping.